Hello, Transurfer, and welcome to TransurfingTV. My name is Renee Garcia, and today, one of the 78 days of practical transurfing. What lesson are we on today? We are on the rules of transurfing. Oh my God, this is amazing. I've actually never read this before, so I'm super intrigued too. What are the rules of transurfing? So first off, obviously my giveaway that I'm running daily now. If you would like to win some of these amazing reprogramming stickers, comment in the comment section below, I love reality transurfing, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm pulling lots of winners every week. And of course, if you have not yet joined our Facebook group, our amazing International Transurfing Institute Facebook group, please do so now. It is rocking in there. So with that, I will get started. The rules of transurfing. Discard the pendulum's rule, do as I do, and replace it with the transurfing rule. Give yourself permission to be yourself and allow others to do the same. Giving yourself permission to be yourself means accepting yourself, warts and all. Allowing others to be themselves means withdrawing the expectations you project onto them. This universal rule gives you the chance to find inner freedom and wave goodbye to all sorts of problems that may have plagued your life in the past. Oh God, don't you just love it? Vadim Zeland's interpretation. You do not have to worry too much about the transurfing rule or how the rule works. Just follow the rule. Whenever you are faced with a difficult situation, ask yourself, how can I act in this situation without breaking the transurfing rule? This will allow you to solve a whole range of issues. Find your inner strength, your personal credo. Get rid of the complexes of guilt and inferiority. Feel confident. Avoid all conflicts and disappointments. Unravel intricate knots of the interpersonal conflict and finally find your own way in life. Oh, I love it. The transurfing rule is the dignity of kings. Oh my gosh, I love this stuff. I've been transurfing for 5 years now, and when I read this stuff sometimes, I just get the absolute chills. Thank God Vadim Zeland, how that guy managed to channel this information, thank God. So what Vadim is saying here, and again, I am walking proof of this, carve your own path. Transurfing, the transurfing rule, the transurfing modality is the dignity of kings. This is how you rule your own reality and create your own reality. When I was giving an interview the other day with one of the ITI Facebook group members, Dee, she said, we're all kings and queens. We're all ruling our little layer of reality. And it is so true. So if you are a king or you are a queen of your reality, how are you getting caught up? Again, like Vadim says, these intricate knots of problems with ourselves and problems with others. A good ruler, a good king or a good queen knows how to rule over their kingdom without getting wrapped up into a bunch of crap with other people or themselves. So the golden rule of transurfing here, allow yourself to be you and allow others to be themselves too. This is so energy efficient. It is ridiculous. Let people be. Somebody's political views differ from yours. Who the hell cares? Somebody's doing something you don't like, change your reality, get them off your track. You don't have to waste energy dealing with people if you don't want to, if you don't want them in your kingdom anymore. That's what I do, is I just get rid of people, right? You're out of here, you're out of here, you're out of here. And most of the people in my reality now are people that I absolutely want to be there. I am ruling my layer of reality like a queen, and I have never, ever, ever been happier. So the rule of transurfing, keep it in mind, and how can you practice this rule a little bit more today? Remember to join our Facebook group and like this video and comment in the comment section below. I love Reality Transurfing to win some of these, y'all. Bye.